I want to go take a look at our Modbus RTU protocol since it's such a good example of topic variable use. Expand our topic variable list. We see that there's a single topic variable defined. I'll go ahead and open the properties. We see that there really isn't a lot of configuration involved with the topic variable, other than the name, which is going to be used when you're referencing the topic variable in a message. And then you've got the description. Now, this is what's going to be displayed in the variables field of the topic, where you're actually going to define the values for it. Go ahead and close that. Now, if I go back to that same host message, and open that up, notice in the request section that we have our topic variable defined here at the beginning of the request. Now, this is the location of the device ID in a typical Modbus request. So that means that whatever value we set for that variable at the topic level is going to replace this variable here whenever we send the request. In the response section, notice we also have the topic variable defined here because a Modbus response also begins with the device ID. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and close that. I want to go back to my configuration here, and I want to create a topic that's going to use that Modbus protocol. Just call that Modbus, and we're going to define the Modbus R protocol, and we're just going to use COM1. Now you see, once I've selected this protocol, if I go to the Variables tab, notice that we now have a variable titled Station ID, which corresponds to the description field I just showed you in the topic variable in the protocol. Any value that I enter here is what's actually going to get sent in the host message request for the that are using the topic variable. And that's also going to be the value that OmniServer is looking for in a response to know that that response goes with this particular device. So if I put a 1 in here, then it's going to get passed to OmniServer in the host message using this, and that's going to be a Modbus node ID or station ID, device ID of 1. That's what's going to get passed.